Osetiene o, osetiene. Eh, otu o si eseti na gị ikpeazụ a, ike gwụkwa. Benjamin Madubugwu. Some of you know him. He's a well-known person in IPOB DOS structure maintenance group. And this post on your screen now is from him. And I'm going to go through it with you. This is another short video that we want to make this day. So I'm not going to waste much time on that. As you can see on your screen, he said, Finland-based buffoon is indeed a dreamer. So you want people to adore you the way they adored our leader, Mas Nnamdi Kanu. Quite frankly, you are on Ahike. This this crowd at CKC Aba on May 30th, 2015 was organized by Ikechukwu. When they came after you, where will you? Okay, when they come after you, rather, where will you hide? In 2015, you were running on the streets of Europe before Ike Kuremadu bought you a laptop in 2019. Ikechukwu Ugoha. Yes, that's the name, because in the video that I published a few hours ago, I couldn't recall his surname, but I know that he's somebody Oha. Then Ugoha, okay. That he has done his sent at DSS headquarters, Abuja. When he was released, he was arrested by DSS in Abia. He came out stronger than ever before, and this is the person you are glorying in his name. Now, in his death, remember he did not say he pied him, and the other Okoko was busy shouting PM and they buy him. He said PM is, glorying in his name. But the only thing you need to understand is that PM know the activities of the man better than most of us. That's why I don't want to venture into the guy, because the death, one is that he's dead. Second thing is that I don't know anything about him, so I don't talk about what I don't know. But for PM to talk about him simply means something is cooking, because PM that I know can never ever support evil. Ask yourself why. Why is it that PM have never, push, or nobody have seen him looking for house address of anybody, unless if you are the people, if you are the one committing killing and selling organs in our land, like most of the people. Because ama ofo ye bara oye boba oye toba oye noba ha oye ise oye isi isa gologawaze ama ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ bara no abozukwa erumo okwu eziokwu. I can count many people that have watched the video, people that happen to be part and parcel of the ESN IPOB that later had issue with them. Their testimony and their confession is not something anybody can be proud of. And I believe that those ones that are still doing strong head in name of defending something that is undefendable, they have watched those videos but they failed to repent. So I don't see PM as somebody that is, venturing into evil. You understand? And those ones that are accusing him, their name have been here and there. They have called them out in many occasions for evil. Let's continue. Let us ask you and the misguided morons following you. Now, this is the problem I have with DOS and their group. You have issue with the PM, right? And you are very fast to insult Biafrans. That's the problem. And that is why you guys will never ever convince anybody to join the criminal gang. Never. Instead, you keep on losing respect, I said losing. You have lost, you keep on losing, yes, but you have lost it. You have lost everything that make you human in the first place. There's nothing left. He said, which protests, rally, or gathering have you led or attended anywhere in different land? You are in a tiny one-bed flat in Helsinki doing prime minister. Don't you have any shame? In anokwa Juman na Juman. Emepegol gị chapter onye na-ekwu ha. Ịgba asọ, ịgba aka. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. So my people, many of them are now coming out to comment and to rant. Like I told you, it is all about December 2nd. Some of you may not believe it, but that is what it is. Some of these attacks you are hearing, seeing, this and that, is all about what is coming. And that thing is the reason why people need to step up and do the needful. Because the more you are ignoring the fact that PM need your support, is the more you are endangering your own life and the life of your family. This is a call for everybody to a kind of a wake-up call to everybody to stand and start doing what is right. Yesterday fundraising was mind-blowing. As Uchechi is insulting herself and many of them doing all these things, I was expecting her to do better. I mean, even if DOS and other people, media platforms are ranting, Uchechi shouldn't be a part of that, but she failed to, because everything but time will tell, like I always say. But as Benjamin Madubugwu is doing what he knows how to do best, trying to represent, because all of them are non-answering president and answering present, and the roll call they're answering now, to know how many of them that left, they are making video and using PM to do that roll call. And the roll call they're answering now is go out and make a video or post against PM, and he will share it and all that. Some of them are growing their platform, dragging PM also. Uchechi gathered more followers today. Yes, now many people will go to her this thing. People are now following her, but for not following her to support her, but following her to make sure they did not miss any of her posts, so that they will bash on her. You understand? And she's somehow making money out of it, but that money you are making, now. That is just the fact. And I'm sure that even if you pretend that, it's not getting to you, come on, it's getting to your emotion. It's penetrating to your nerves. And time shall come when you may not even have the bone, the strength to withstand it. The reply that PM gave this guy is another thing that gladdened my heart. PM is somebody that knows how to respond to this kind of post. You want to claim that you know PM better than anybody. PM will help you. Some people, one thing about criminality is that once you are part of the criminals, or I'm not calling anybody a criminal. I'm just trying to tell you, in real life, if you're a criminal or you're a gossiper, you are a bad person. You will always think that everybody is like you. If you're a beggar, once a beggar sees you, he thinks that you're going out to beg. PM that is working, well grounded, is the one they are making it look like a Kuremadu. Give him something, and a Kuremadu they are talking about, because PM told the Biafrans when they were dragging a Kuremadu to stop. PM did not join Biafra then. So they think that the Kuremadu is his Oga and all that nonsense. Now listen, according to this post, he said, in 2015 you were running. I don't know what the meaning of this word, but I believe that it's just moving around in the streets of Europe. Running on the streets of Europe. Okay. Before a Kuremadu bought you a laptop in 2019. Now the question is, how did you know that the Kuremadu bought him a laptop? And you are expecting Biafran that are educated, civilized people, professors in Biafra today, living in abroad, doing mighty things for the country that they are residing, to stoop too low to believe, to share this kind of mentality with you. Is that what you believe? You are digging your own grave without knowing. Because if you are smart enough, you would not even go to that extent at all. But being who you are, you always fail to do the needful. Now, let me share with you the response that PM gave to him. And that is why I laughed and said, oh, come on, I have to share this. As you can see on the screen now, on the top corner, the top of the write-up, I mean, you can see PM saying this: if you rant finish, enter your village in Ihiala, criminal. Why are you running? We go still post your own. Very short and brief, but has a lot of meaning. Thank you so much for watching, and tell me what you think about this. Like the video, of course, comment, and subscribe if you're new. So my people, share this message and tell me what you think about the response of PM. That's what I like. That's one thing that I love about PM. If you want to talk, he will go straight to the point and hit the hammer on the nail without missing target. See you again on our next one, my people, and bye bye for now. Thank you.